not
have
gonna,
it on body camera, so you
I
can
have
say that all you
everything
want.
on
Okay,
camera.
that's fine. Okay.
I'm not gonna argue.
Just take me to jail. You guys are playing. You guys are having me standing out here doing all this stuff. Can you just take me to jail?
At first glance, this looks like a basic speeding stop. Nah, the first red flag hits almost immediately. She gets told 73 in a 45, and instead of a clean, direct response, she starts drifting into excuses and distraction. Then the bigger clue lands. The deputy says she smells alcohol before this stop is even 2 minutes. Old, that changes the whole frame. This is no longer just traffic enforcement. Now the officer is building a DUI investigation off speed, odor, and speech. Look closely at the sequencing here. Reason for stop, identity check, alcohol question, then step out order. That's not random. That's a trained escalation path.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good, thank you. Deputy Weiss at the Sheriff's Office. Reason for the stop today is 73 and a 45.
Okay. Yeah.
Where are we going?
73.
Yeah, in a 45.
I don't. That's fine. You can.
Okay,
I don't think I was driving that fast, but
Okay.
I am trying to find my license information.
Okay. Do you have a valid driver's license?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Where are we coming from today?
I have my mac and cheese on the floor. Like, I'm just trying to get to family dinner. That's all I am doing. Here's my driver's
Thank you. Still living on Hidden Valley?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you had any alcohol today?
No.
Okay. Any reason why I can smell alcohol coming from you?
No. No.
What's in that cup?
This is just like an old Diet Pepsi,
Okay.
and that's it.
There's no alcohol? You've had no alcohol
ma'am.
today?
No, ma'am.
All right. Hang tight. I'll be back shortly. All right, Kaylee. Kate, is it Kaylee?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do me a favor and step out, okay?
Can I ask you the reason why you're asking me to step out?
Yes, I'll explain it to you when you step out of the vehicle, okay?
I was just gonna say I found my.
Over. There.
Oh my gosh, this
Okay.
is so crazy.
Walk to the back of your vehicle, okay?
Okay.
I'll explain everything back to you here. All right, listen. I don't want you between vehicles, so let's come over here, okay? I can smell an odor of an alcoholic beverage coming from you, okay?
Okay.
Listen, this is the moment the stop turns psychological. The deputy lays out the clues: odor of alcohol, high speed, braking hard, possible reverse movement, and what she hears as slurred speech. And watch the driver's response pattern, not a focused denial, but scattered talking, emotional pivots, and that fixation on the Mac and cheese. That kind of mental hopping can signal stress, impairment, or both. Educational fact: in a DUI stop, an officer doesn't need proof beyond it out to investigate further. Specific observations like odor, speech changes, and driving behavior can justify field sobriety testing. That's why this scene starts tightening right here.
I'm trained in this stuff, okay? So when I ask you if you've had alcohol, I'm just expecting honesty, okay?
Mm-hmm.
That's it, all right? Your speed is egregious. You're 73 and a 45. Listen to me. Let me
cruise control.
Okay,
so
let me talk, okay?
Okay.
You came around that corner back there at 73 miles an hour,
Okay.
and then you saw me, you smashed your brakes, and then you sped right back up, okay? So you're slurred speeching to me, okay, right now.
I don't have slurred speeching.
Okay, well, you do. I can hear it when you talk, okay?
Okay.
That's where we're at right now, okay? So I'm a little concerned about your driving pattern, okay? Your speed, okay?
Okay.
The way that you abruptly stopped right here and then you threw your car in reverse, I was concerned that you were going to back into
I
me.
didn't put my car in
Okay, I'm
reverse.
not
You have
gonna-
it on body camera, so you
I
can
have
say that all you
everything
want.
on
Okay,
camera.
that's fine, okay.
I'm not going to argue with you, okay?
Okay.
That's not what we're here to do.
Yes.
What we're here to do is determine whether or not you're too impaired to be operating a motor vehicle. Because I believe you are under the influence of alcohol.
Okay.
Okay, so that's where we're at. Okay.
Okay.
Are you willing to perform standardized field sobriety exercises to dispel my belief you are too impaired to operate that motor vehicle? It's a yes or no question. It's a yes or no question.
Honestly, you can just. I don't know. I've already
Okay.
been through this before.
I have
and
to
know
have
I'm
a
not
yes.
drinking,
I have to have a yes or no
so,
answer.
I mean, mac and cheese. Can you ask my sister if she can pick up my mac and cheese so at least the family can taste it?
It's a yes or no question. Let's focus on one
Okay.
thing at a time, okay?
Okay.
So, are you willing to perform standardized field sobriety exercises to
Sure.
dispel my belief?
Yes,
okay.
absolutely.
What you're going to do right here is you're going to hang out right over here for me. Hang tight. Stand over here with that deputy, okay?
This is crazy. I baked a mac and cheese and everything for my first time this year, and
What, have you been drinking at all?
No, not at all.
We shouldn't have a problem.
Absolutely. Okay.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah. You're saying that because no matter either way, like if I take this test or not, you're still gonna say, "Oh, she's drinking." You know what I mean?
Yeah,
so
but-
I'm damned even if I do, and even if I don't.
So if you refuse, what she'll do is she'll go by what she's observed so far,
Yeah.
which could be good or bad. If you do the field sobriety exercises, and
But it's like if you do these, I've watched so many TikToks. Like if you do these, you're going to jail regardless. You know what I mean?
I disagree with that 100%.
For one time I cooked in my life. Like I made a good mac and cheese, and I just wanted my family to taste it. Like that's it. It's sitting right there in my front seat.
I wouldn't worry about it.
All right, Kaylee. So the way that these work, okay? My DUI investigations start the same way every single time. I have to ask you a series of questions, okay?
Okay.
And then you're going to answer these questions. They're yes or no questions, and then I will run you through the standardized field sobriety exercises. And if you're not to the point where you're impaired, you'll be on your way. Simple as that. I
I
don't
say that, but you're arresting me regardless. So
No, I don't.
That's what I was just explaining to him.
I don't arrest people if they're not under the influence of alcohol.
Okay.
Okay? I'm not. That's not how this works, okay? It's based on your performance of everything, and then we go from there.
Okay.
If you're above what I believe you are, then you go to jail. If you don't, then we go from there.
So
okay?
you're just saying that you're taking me to jail whether I do this or not?
No. If you refuse,
I'm not refusing.
Let me explain,
I'm not
okay?
refusing.
I asked you to do field sobriety exercises. You agreed, okay? What happens if you refuse to do the field sobriety exercises or complete them is I ask you again, okay? If you say no or you don't complete the tasks, then I have to make an arrest decision based on my evidence that I have at hand, okay? Which would be the speeding, your slurred speech, things of that nature, okay?
Okay.
And
so you're taking me to jail
I did not say that.
regardless.
No, we can't just take you to jail regardless. That's not how this works.
Okay.
Okay?
I just feel like if you're having me pulled over, like I have mac and cheese in the car, like this is my
Okay.
first year cooking, and like,
Okay.
oh my gosh, okay.
And if you complete everything and you're not to the point where you're impaired, then you go on your way with your mac and cheese. Okay?
I'm just not.
I wouldn't. Listen, we're not out here to take. My job is not to take people to jail. My job is to make sure people are not impaired operating a motor vehicle.
I
Okay?
get it. I just have 2 kids, and like
Okay, I get it. I understand where you're coming from.
I do
Okay?
apologize.
Just let me start this, and
Okay.
then if you have any questions, don't hesitate to stop me.
Okay.
Ask me questions. That's what I'm here for. I'll answer them to the best of my ability for you, okay? Would you mind holding that for me? Thank you.
You're taking me to jail anyway, so don't you just want to do it now? Like,
Okay, listen to me.
I just feel like
Listen
either way,
no,
like,
that's not how this works. I have done numerous DUI investigations, and I haven't taken everybody to jail on DUI investigations, okay? Because there are some times that you are not to the point where you shouldn't be operating a motor vehicle, okay?
I just feel so sad because I tried to.
Listen, you tried to what?
I wanted to make mac and cheese for my family.
You are hung up on this mac and cheese.
I know because
It's
of my
mac and
I don't know
cheese.
how to cook, and it's my
Okay.
first time cooking.
Listen to
so
me.
I just feel so
And if
sad.
everything goes well and you perform exercises and you don't meet that threshold, you go on your way like I explained to you, okay? So for this exercise, all I'm going to have you do, stand with your feet together, your arms are going to be down by your side, okay? I'm going to show you the tip. So the light doesn't work, so I'm probably actually going to use my
Even
pen.
if you use your light, you're still gonna be like, oh.
No, this is exercises. This is what I'm trained in, okay?
Okay.
I can't make... So the first exercise is horizontal gaze nystagmus. That means I'm going to check your eyes.
This right here is the danger zone of the whole encounter. The deputy starts standardized field sobriety exercises, beginning with horizontal gaze nystagmus that I test where the subject is supposed to follow the stimulus with the eyes only, and the civilian mistake. She keeps arguing procedure instead of just listening to the instructions. Look, once the test starts, every interruption matters. Every extra question, every complaint about wind, contacts, the other officers, all of that breaks rhythm and makes the encounter feel more non-compliant from the officer's side. Procedure observation. DUI tests are usually given in a structured sequence, and officers are trained to give the same instructions clearly and repeatedly so they can later justify what they observed.
Okay, I can't make your eyes do anything.
Yeah.
You're just going to follow...
I get it, but I know like my contacts are dry, so either way. I know you're already taking me to jail, so that's what I'm saying.
Why do you think you know that?
Because you're already having me pulled over.
Yeah, I pulled you over because you're speeding. That's the
Okay.
initial stop reason, okay?
There's 5 cops here at this point. For what?
They're here because They're all my backup, okay?
Okay.
That's it. They're
All right.
you listen to me. You need to focus on me. Focus on what listen to me.
Focus on you.
Focus on me, don't focus on them. Focus on what I have going on.
It's hard not to
Don't worry
when
about
there's
them.
15
Okay,
males
who-
coming up to me.
And what about me? I'm a female.
But you work for them.
Okay.
Okay, so
Feet together, arms by your side, okay? See the tip of this?
Yes.
You're going to follow that. You're going to follow that with your eyes and your eyes only, okay?
Okay.
You're not going to move your head. Go ahead, touch the tip of that for me, okay? Okay. Follow it with your eyes and your eyes only.
Okay.
Any questions?
No. Are you taking me to jail or not? Like
Do you want to continue the exercises?
It's
It's a yes or no?
Yes, I do.
Okay,
but, like,
then
if you're gonna
let's
take me
get
to
through the
jail, then-
exercises.
Okay. Oh my gosh. And the whole time I was following the tip of that pen, and you said I wasn't. and I was.
Relax. Okay, this is
I'm
not.
trying to, but
you
like you
are.
told me I wasn't following the
'Cause you
pen,
weren't.
and I was. Okay.
Okay, come down
So
here.
then, if you're gonna arrest me
Haley?
then.
Stop.
No, because
I'm trying to give you the benefit of the doubt. This is not a back and forth. This is not a back and forth situation. You are either going to. Everything is audio.
I totally get it.
Everything
I
is
totally
audio
get
and
it.
video
Yes,
recorded.
absolutely,
I'm not
but-
trying. Listen to me. I can't make your eyes do anything that they're
Okay.
not going to do on their own. Okay?
So if you already have probable cause, then wouldn't you
I
take me to jail now?
I have to let you get through the entire exercises. That's part of the DUI investigation.
For you just to take me to jail?
We're not there yet.
Okay, then.
So
all right.
relax. Okay? Come here.
I will do this, but it's like you already want to take me to jail.
That's-
So.
If I stopped you for speeding. Okay? That's why I stopped you. Okay?
I'm just like.
You need to relax. Okay? You're way up here right now. We are down here. You just need
like
to
I'm
chill
working
out.
so hard for my business,
Okay.
and I worked really hard to get
Okay.
where I'm at.
I got you.
I'm not trying to.
I'm not saying you're trying to do anything. I just want you to do the exercise I'm asking you to do because you wanted to, and then we go from there, okay?
But you saying that I wanted to, like you're a cop, you're obviously gonna get money off of this. So like,
What do you
even
mean?
even if I do this or not, it doesn't matter. Like you're still getting paid. You know what I mean?
Because I'm
Everything
working.
goes by the evidence that is presented to her.
Okay, so it's super windy. You had to take that into consideration.
Okay.
So you want me to do my 9 steps on my?
Whenever you're ready, do you have any questions about the exercise?
I don't know if I want to do this. I
Okay.
want to call my mom.
Okay, well, that's not going to happen right now. We're in the middle of an investigation, okay? So are you going to perform the exercise I just had you, or just
Sure.
described to you?
Yes.
Okay, whenever you're ready, you can
So
begin.
right foot or left foot?
Remember the instructions, okay? I asked you if you had any questions. You said no.
I know, but now that we're
Left foot on the line, right foot touching heel to toe directly in front.
I'm still standing on my left foot. This is no fair. This is crazy. Just take me to jail. You guys are.
Now the mask comes off when someone says, just take me to jail. That's not surrender. That's frustration boiling over into confrontation. Everything speeds up here. The deputy keeps trying to pin her down to a yes or no and complete the exercises, but the driver keeps looping back into the same argument. You already decided. That's the pivot, because once a subject stops engaging with instructions and starts fighting the premise of the stop itself, the officer's decision window narrows fast. Then at 12:36, it flips for real, arrest for DUI. 2 seconds later, it goes from verbal resistance to open hostility. Raw, fast, and exactly how scenes go bad.
Playing. You guys are having me standing out here doing all this stuff. Can you just take me to jail if you're taking me to jail, please?
Are you finishing that exercise? It's a yes
I
or
stood
no.
there for like 10 seconds,
Okay.
and my foot was completely straight. So like, I'm trying to ask you, like, you're the professional, the officer. So what is we doing? Are you taking me to jail?
You are not completing the exercises as I described it to you, as I provided you the instructions.
You said until you stop.
Until I tell you to stop or you reach 30 seconds.
Okay, so can I do it again? Like, what the heck? Can you give me a timer, please?
The timer is you counting to 30.
You didn't say that. You said
Your
stand on
30
your foot
seconds.
and you will tell me
Okay, I'm
when
not
you're
arguing
done.
with you anymore,
Okay,
Kaylee.
so are you taking me
the
to
next,
jail or
are you
not?
going to continue the exercises? Yes or no?
What other exercises do I have to do?
There are more exercises that you
How
need
many?
to do. 3.
I've already done 3.
Yes, there's 3 more.
So,
Yes or no?
are you taking me to jail or not?
Are you going to complete the
Are
exercises?
you taking me to jail or not?
Yes or no?
Are you taking me to jail or not? You're already sitting
Yes
here judging me
or
when
no?
it's windy as fuck. I can't even hold on to a pole.
Okay, are you going to complete the exercises or not?
Are you taking me
It's
to
a
jail?
yes. If you okay,
yes, I will complete that.
Then
Are
stop
you
arguing
me to
with me, or you're going to be put in handcuffs right now. You need to relax.
You already are putting me in jail. You already know you're
Stand
doing
with your feet together, arms by your side.
Slapping the handcuffs on.
Yes, ma'am. You're going to be placed under arrest today for DUI, okay?
That's crazy.
Put your hands together like you're praying, okay? Other way. Palms in. Palms in like you're praying.
That's so crazy. I'm gonna sue all of y'all. I passed every test. This is why exactly what I said. If you finna take me to jail, just take me to jail. Y'all already know what you was doing.
Anything on you that's going to poke crud stickers at you?
Nope, fuck ya.
Walk over to the side of my car.
Don't fucking touch me.
Okay, well, I have to.
Don't fucking touch me.
Okay, you're not going to act like
I don't
this.
give a fuck. Fuck you, bitch. You already know you was taking me to jail, you stupid fucking
Stop.
bitch. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Well,
I
you're
don't
gonna
give
get
a
a
fuck.
resisting charge.
Go ahead and do that then.
You're gonna get a
Fuck
resisting
you.
charge.
Put me in the fucking car, ho.
Spread your feet.
Put me in
Spread
the
your
fucking
feet.
car, ho. I have sandals on, bitch, and a fucking flat ass dress. The fuck are you finna find on me, you stupid ass bitch? You ain't shit.
Traffic 13. She'll be 15 for
Fuck
71.
you, bitch.
Look that way.
Don't fucking touch me. Don't talk to me. I don't give a fuck. I ain't finna follow no instructions by you, bitch.
Thank you.
Here's the legal wrap. On camera, the deputy announces the DUI arrest. Then the post-arrest behavior gets uglier: profanity, refusing touch, refusing instructions, and the kind of language that turns a bad stop into extra charges. According to the video description, she was charged with driving under the influence, 2 counts of refusal to submit DUI testing, and 2 counts of resisting without violence. No final court disposition is shown here, so that's the charge picture, not the final case result, and the lesson. Look, the street-level truth is simple. Arguing the outcome before the investigation is finished almost always makes your position worse. If you think the stop is unfair, the roadside is not the courtroom. The clue most people miss is that the officer's case wasn't built on one thing, it was cumulative. Speeding, odor, speech, test, performance, and then post-arrest conduct. So here's the real question. When a driver believes the officer has already made up their mind, is refusing to cooperate ever a smart tactic, or does that belief itself become the thing that seals the arrest?